Mas Stefanus.
Yeah.
Thank you for talking to IJIS.
Yes.
So you are part of a research cluster.
Exactly.
Can you tell us what is the research project of your research cluster?
So this is a research about prevention and treatment for victims of violence in dating relationships in Salatiga, Central Java.
In Indonesia.
In Indonesia.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So within your research clusters,
Yeah.
who are involved?
So
Who are the members?
so there is one principal leader, like
Yeah.
a leader,
Yeah.
a professor,
Mm-hmm.
and below him there are two supervisors,
Yeah.
doctor level supervisors,
Yeah.
doctorate level,
Yeah.
and the members of
Yeah.
this group are 12 master's level students studying psychology.
So it's actually quite big, yeah. So you have
Yeah.
the professor as a leader, you have two supervisors, and then 12 master students.
Yes.
So this is actually a part of your master study.
Exactly.
Yeah, right. So tell us about why do you think this research is important?
This research is very important because the statistics, according to the government in Central Java, the statistics of violence in dating relationships are alarming.
Mm-hmm.
So it's really important to tackle this problem before it happens or occurring in marriage relationships.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So when you talk about dating relationship, is we're talking about young people.
Young
Yeah?
people,
Young
18,
people.
maybe 15 to 25.
Wow.
Yeah, years
Okay.
old.
Right. So it's boyfriend, girlfriend. Yeah.
Yeah.
So unlike the domestic violence in a married couple, this is
Mhm.
actually quite different. So it takes place, and the victims and the perpetrator are actually young people. Okay. I'm curious about the theory or literature review that you and your groups are adopting for this research.
We are using the ecological model of Bronfenbrenner.
Yep.
So it's our main theory.
Mm-hmm.
We call it psycho-ecological theory.
Right. Okay. And can I also ask you, how long? When did the project start, and how long is the project altogether?
Altogether, it will be 3 years.
Yep.
So now we are currently on second year.
Second year.
Yeah.
And where is the funding from?
The funding comes from the Ministry of Research and Technology of Indonesian government.
So from the central government.
Yeah.
Yeah, it received the funding because they believe that this topic is quite important, quite
Exactly.
urgent to be researched. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Why is this research important to you personally?
Personally, this research is important because I'm Indonesian. As
Yeah.
an Indonesian, I want to help people,
Mm-hmm.
especially young people,
Yeah,
and I just feel sorry for them, like
yeah,
if they have like fight or violence in
Mhm.
such a young age.
yeah,
So this is very personal to me.
yeah. And it's becoming a big problem. And you as a researcher and learner want to implement your knowledge by tackling the very real problem
To help
in
them.
Indonesia. Yeah. Okay. Last question.
Sure.
So this is your master project, a very important, very urgent area that we all need to care, I think. What's next? What do you want to be? What's your ambition?
Okay, in the future, I want to be an expert in cognitive behavioral therapy.
Mm-hmm.
And because of that, my specific topic for this research is about implementing CBT
Yeah.
to help victims in violence and violence in dating relationships.
Okay. That means you will probably be ready to do your doctorate, PhD.
hopefully after this,
Yeah,
I
so
will do my PhD
you can be the
overseas.
expert. Yeah, you
Yes.
can be the expert on CBT in Indonesia.
In Indonesia.
Thank you very much for sharing with us your research project with your research cluster here in Salatiga Christian University, Satyawacana University,
Yes.
and all the best.
Thank you so much. Thanks for the time.